inspection of property 3804 Seagull. We're in Slidell, Louisiana. We're going from a clean out outside the house. This is the home. This is the first clean out. It's a 3-inch. This is a corner lot. Just showing you the verification shot. This is new construction. Plastic PVC. Alright, this is where it goes to the other side of the home, and it's going into a combination. Clean out everywhere. That's a wonderful thing. Go all the way till you see some green pipe indicating you're in the parish drain system. That's the green pipe. We're in the parish's drain system. All right, we're going to pull out of here, and this pretty much is going to conclude my video. Everything is good.